Hi, this is Zak Mir from Zak's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday the 4th of March. Starting off with Aureus Mining, and good progress here above the 50-day moving average, currently at around the 4.28 pence level. Looks like we're still heading towards the top of this rising trend channel from December at 8.5 pence, and that's target stands while there's no end of day close back below the initial March resistance, the first day of trading at 5.5 pence. Only back below the 50-day line, 4.28 pence, currently regarded as outright negative on the technical front. BMR Mining is next, and here you can see there's been this, or BMR Group rather. Here you can see that there's been a decent consolidation here towards the 3 pence zone, break above the 50-day moving average as well. The latest positive development, 3.25 pence. Obviously, this grind around the lower levels could continue for quite some time, but at least we now do have first signs of a decent target to shoot for. That would be the top of this rising trend channel from November, and really that would be valid while there is no break back below the 3 pence zone. Target also backed by a positive configuration in the RSI window with this uptrend line here, multi-tested since the end of January. Looking on to General Energy, and this is quite an interesting situation given the way that obviously the stock has been slammed over recent months. Just a chance here that we've got this a rebound off the floor of this broadening triangle. The floor of the triangle towards yesterday's support at 77 pence, and really above that we could hit the bottom of this gap to the downside at 104 as the interim target. Best case scenario target is above 77 pence. We head up to walk towards £1.50, which is the top of the channel over the next couple of months. Encondezi Energy is next, and here you see that after a spike higher in December, January, we've had the pullback, but the shares are back above the 50-day moving average at 4.23 pence, and really while they're above the floor of this rising trend channel at 3.75 pence, we should see a move towards 8 pence, which is the top of a rising trend channel from November. Initial target obviously around 5 to 6 pence, which was the old January resistance on the way down. But 2 to 3 months should give us our 8 pence target, especially while the 3 pence zone is held. You can see that's come in as support above the 200-day moving average over the last few weeks. Next stock is one which did rather well last month, coming back for more now on the as far as the rebound of the floor of this rising trend channel from October is concerned. We're targeting the 200-day moving average at 1.3 pence, or 1.28 pence in fact, which is also the top of the channel, and the target is valid while there's no end of day close back below the 50-day moving average at 0.43 pence. RSI bounced above the neutral 50 level as well as a continuation signal. Finishing off with a stock I haven't looked at for quite a while, and that's Sirius Minerals. 2-day break above the 50-day moving average at 13 pence. The message at the moment is while there's no end of day close back below that last February peak at 13.75 pence, we could head up to 20 pence plus at the top of this broadening triangle in place since August last year. Target, or the time frame on that, the next 4 to 6 weeks. Ideally, obviously, we close above the 200-day moving average of 16.9 pence, 5 pence rather, over either Friday session or going into Monday. That's it from me. More updates on Monday.